How to sell crypto on Binance. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sell crypto on Binance. So in order to be eligible to sell crypto on Binance, first of all you'll have to make sure to complete this following steps. The number one is you must have a verified account. Two is you must have enough coins. Only then you'll be able to sell on Binance. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, log into your Binance account. Once logged in, this is going to take you to the interface that looks something like this. Now right on this page you'll be able to see the interface something like this. Here you'll need to go ahead and select the trade icon located right at the bottom. Since my account is not verified, as well as I don't happen to have any points, so you won't be able to see an option as sell. But in your case, if you have already completed this following procedure, then you'll be able to find the option sell. All you have to do is just tap on the sell button, and as soon as you do that, next page is going to ask you to select the coin or the currency that you actually want to sell. So in my case, I'm going to go with Bitcoin. So over here you need to go ahead and enter the exact amount that you wish to sell, or you can just type in the amount that you wish to sell and click the sell button located right on top. Once you're done entering the amount, click the sell button located right at the bottom. After you've done entering the amount, click the sell button located right at the bottom. It's going to take you to the summary page where you need to go ahead and enter in all of the information, such as your bank account details and all sort of information. So once you've done confirming all of the details, click the sell button once again or tap the confirm button. As soon as you do that, it's going to direct you to the other interface stating that you've successfully sold crypto on Binance. So in that way you can sell crypto on Binance. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.